If your Chrome browser feels slow, freezes, or takes too long to load pages, don't worry, this simple fix can make it run much faster in just a few seconds. One of the most effective solutions is clearing your browser cache. Step 1. First, launch the Google Chrome app on your smartphone. Make sure you are using the latest version for better performance and security improvements. Step 2. Tap the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main Chrome menu where all settings are available. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Inside this section, find and open Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Step 4. You will see an option to select a time range. For best results, choose All Time to remove all stored temporary data. If you only want a quick cleanup, you can select a shorter range like the last 15 minutes or 24 hours. Step 5. Make sure to tick only cached images and files. You may uncheck cookies and browsing history if you want to keep your saved logins and history intact. Step 6. Finally, tap Delete Data and confirm your action. Chrome will instantly remove unnecessary files, helping the browser run smoother and load pages faster. That's all for this quick fix. By clearing your Chrome cache, you've just boosted your browser speed and reduced lag in seconds. Try it regularly for the best performance.